A very warm welcome to my channel at Doc Nature Lover. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Today's topic is, as you know from the thumbnail, stress awareness. So this is a month that we celebrate stress awareness. It's called the Stress Awareness Month, which is the month of April. So my goal of this video is to help you guys navigate through stress, anxiety, and sleep, which are actually three components which together actually is one thing, which is mental well-being. If you are interested in this topic and find out more about sleep and stress disorder, please keep on watching. Today is my day off. I haven't gone to bed till late. I was like tossing and turning at 4. You still have to wake me up now? Disgusting. What am I supposed to wear? Nothing fits me. I've gained so much weight. This is disgusting. I don't even have some lounge clothes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Press conference we have every other day. So there's very little communication. That communication has to be at the center of
Why are these cookies
And I think the
tasting so not what I bought?
goal
Did Renaissance touch my cookies even?
resistant of
Oh my god. These are my foods and I feel comfort.
people's trust and confidence that they can go out
And she had to go for these cookies. Almost half of the jar is empty. And I still have the whole day to watch TV now. Oh my god, look at this! Renessa! My day is going bad. I can't take this anymore. I haven't slept well for nights now. What's the time right now? Oh my god. It's almost 2 in the morning. Oh my god, I have been texting all this while. Let me get my sleep mask. Another day. Another crappy day tomorrow. Tossing and turning and cannot go to sleep even. Let me wear my eye patches. Why can't I sleep? I feel so bloated. I think I need some digestive enzymes or something. I think I ate too many snacks today. Disgusting. So the first and foremost thing people will ask me, can I have a medication to fall asleep? The first and foremost thing of sleep is sleep hygiene. So what's sleep hygiene? Sleep hygiene is a few things that in combination can help your sleep. The number one most important thing is our technological gadgets. We need to make very sure that when we are going to bed, we are not taking our iPhones, our iPads, or anything to bed. Number two, we cannot have caffeine or caffeine type products about 4 p.m. onwards. That's very important because caffeine doesn't want our nerves to relax. Number three, exercise. Yes, a few minutes, even 10 minutes of exercise can help you in relieve stress, because when these hormones are released after exercise and your body gets this hormone surge, it decreases the stress hormones in the body. And that is exactly why exercise in any form is great. Number three, you cannot be checking every few minutes the TV or iPad or iPhone or any other gadgets, because that's not going to help your stress and anxiety. It's actually going to worsen your stress and anxiety. Please, please, please make sure that you are wearing comfortable clothes during sleep, and that should be cotton or linen kind of fabric. So that is all I could say about the sleep hygiene. So the next 5 minutes are going to be the most important 5 minutes, which is going to help with stress relief, anxiety relief, helping ease all the muscle tension, and also help a good restful night's sleep. The first and foremost thing I'm going to need is some sort of an oil. I also need some hot water, and I also have a dry brush. So you're going to use the dry brush, which I also had from Aveda. What it does, it helps all the dead cells to come out, and not only that, the lymphatic improvement channels are opening up. Next part of this is the oil massage part. I will be putting this oil inside the bowl of hot water. I will be taking this oil and pouring this oil in this container. Taking oil in my hand, I will be starting the massage from my face. Again, circular movements. After this, you will be doing the massage on your belly. You are also going to make sure that you're going to do a hip massage and a thigh massage as well, following the same horizontal strokes. And as I described to you, I'm going to show you how to do my feet, so you can get an idea about how you're going to do the feet. After you have done the oiling, you're going to use any other kind of soap apart from oil-based soap. I have this cleansing oil that I use for myself. It's called the Stress Fix. I bought it from Aveda. However, I also have another one which is from Aveda, because they follow all of the Ayurvedic compositions, so I prefer their products. After this, I'm going to tell you guys the most amazing thing is the sleep. However, just before that, you are going to have some warm milk ready for you, and put some nutmeg powder, and then drink the milk. It is going to be the most amazing sleep you have ever had in your entire life. Oh, is it quite late? Oh no, thank God. I had such a restful night's sleep. It feels so great. Amazing. So I woke up with restful sleep, and you can see the smile on my face. And I'm going to choose my favorite lounging clothes, because all of these clothes fit me. So let's see which one I want to pick. Since everything fits me fine, I'll probably choose one of my jungle shirts. I love this shirt. Oh my God, Renessa. Renessa! Oh, look at this. All right, let me pick it up. Children these days are different, truly. Who knows better than me? Just a productive day, and just so happy about that. Let me get my eye patch.